This is the SAB Goblin 700 Black Thunder ICONIC EDITON, an exclusive series from the SAB Heli division. A kit of which only 50 were released, so you won't find too much content on this heli around. We'll be unboxing this helicopter today. Let's get into it. Hello everyone, today we will be opening this wonderful kit before us, which we received. Daniel will tell you a little bit more about it and then we will get going.
This is the Black Thunder helicopter, which I won at Full Pitch Fun Fly.
Ready? Blue. Yeah, mate, it's agonisingly slow.
Makes it easier.
2. 6.
Got 2 6.
5. 2. 6. It's the youngster! Ladies and gentlemen! Very nice. Animal partners will be chasing you out the field.
Let's get into it.
Let's rip this apart now.
Elegant is not in my name.
We got the box.
That was sick.
Get this junk.
How does it open?
We have to flip it.
Do we?
Yes.
What on earth is going on with the box?
What the hell?
Oh no, I get it. You see, I'm not
Figure it
stupid.
out. Okay, first we've got the manual. Let's open it up. Let's see. Ooh, Goblin gift card. I think that's a gift card.
Authenticity card, serial number, the name, and a QR code. What is nice, that I like about the manual, is that the parts seem to be sectioned off depending on where in the helicopter they are. So whether it's the transition assembly or the head, you've got it
fly far away.
nicely sort of listed.
And don't fly into yourself.
The manual, the registration card, a plastic authenticity card and a safety bulletin are in this sealed bag. The assembly manual is the usual SAB quality, full colour, well detailed, each step has its own explanation, and assembly instructions. It's pretty long. This is the first sign that what you have and what you are building is something different. I mean, different from other brands. The manual shows exactly where you need to apply your Loctite or glue, so you won't accidentally skip this bit, and, you know. Diagrams are well illustrated and easy to understand, which will prove to be quite useful. Why? You will figure that out later in this video. And as this is a standard with SAB manuals, each part is listed with its article number to help future spare purchases. I do believe these are the frames, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Frames.
Let's see what's in. If it's not.
Grisimoire. I can't open it.
Wait, let me check inside. Yeah, these are frames. Come
No,
out.
they won't come out.
Come out. What are these?
They are the frames. I am so smart.
We were so smart, you mean.
Anything I've missed? Yes.
Stickers! Stickers!
I'll be honest, I thought these came, like the colour was pre-printed. I didn't think I'd have to stick the colour on.
Let's take this thing out.
Those are some big frames, is all I know.
Yeah,
Is that
those
the
are
battery
massive frames.
I don't know. This thin box has the main frame panels and the landing skid. These parts are thick carbon fibre elements, so good quality. Cuts are nicely done, but this is SAB standard. The landing skid is technically a fin rather than a real landing skid. It's not a unique solution, but definitely not typical either. The yellow pattern is not pre-printed on the carbon, they are stickers, so it is also your job to place these correctly, something that I am horrible at. Yay.
Let's do any.
Well, I think we should do the box bag.
I think we should do the big boy.
Technically, it should be a bag box, you know?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, shoot. Oh, I thought it would be bigger.
I'll be honest, I did as well.
Can't open it.
Why does it say void? It's a pretty cool sticker, I'll be honest.
Void. Oh my god, a spring for something.
Okay, so I'll go through the main stuff. The main interesting thing I've found in here is that seems to be the belt. Yep.
This looks interesting. I don't know what this is.
You're going to ask me, and I'm going to say I have no clue. The RVs the battery. They are the battery trays. That is massive.
That's because
So-
they take big batteries.
Yeah. So I
two
do
of
believe these
the
take to
batteries.
5000s. So you know.
Yeah, these take
Did
big.
they give you one, or did they give you two? They give you two.
That's for
I
two.
wish there was a spare in there, but I could steal.
So we've got some links
Yeah.
and a plastic bolt.
From what I can see, a lot of this is for the tail case. There's some of like the main structure here, frames, and there is a
More
battery tray, the
plastic
belt.
bolts.
So it's mainly just for the tail. Or there is some stuff for the blades here. So it's a mix and match of stuff. Currently everything seems to just be for everything. Well, this was surprising. The plastic bags with smaller parts are in this box. There are 18 bigger and numbered sealed bags. Many of them have smaller, also numbered bags. These packages are grouped by their functions and locations within the actual model, with the packaging being quite neat. And this is the point where the well-detailed manual makes sense. It will definitely be required, because you will literally assemble everything by yourself, including all the bearings and the arms, all the springs, all the washers, shafts, and so on. Nothing is pre-assembled. Building an SAB model like this is real modelling, and if you hadn't realised so far, building this model will definitely require some time. Oh, that's really... Is there anything in here?
Probably. I
swear
don't
it's
know.
just- It is just an empty box. I think they have opened this. They have opened this. This is heavy. Oh.
Take it out. That's not even one.
Oh, it's a cool pattern.
Okay, let's get the next one out of this prison.
It's not a prison.
Gears. I don't know what that is. I don't know what any of this is. And something.
Okay, we'll leave this for later,
Over
because this
here.
is the interesting bit. You've got a rotor hub. Oh my god.
Rotor hub.
Absolutely awesome design. I like,
Secondary belt. Over.
I like the simplistic.
Secondary
Nice
belt.
black. The other thing that we've got in here.
Motor belt. And then we got a gear. Another gear. I think this is also a gear. And I think this is also a gear. I don't know.
Thanks, Daniel. That's really science.
And I don't know what these are, but I know what that is.
I introduced you to my brother who doesn't know any of the terminology for this. I don't either, so we're on the same
I
page.
built a small heli. I don't know how big helis work.
Yeah, I've never built a 700, so I'm going to be experimenting with that on this one. That seems... Anyways, The main interesting thing here is we've got the tail hub, I guess you'd call it.
Yeah.
From the looks of things. And you've got the 2 tail blade grips there. So, you know. Please assemble with The
Loctite.
spelling of please is please. Assemble with Loctite. That's brilliant. Thank you. It's made my day. My siblings said, let's get them out of the prison. Well, this box is much more reminiscent of a jewellery box than a prison. And yes, all parts are in foam trays, vacuum foiled and presented like jewellery. Pulleys, rotor and tail rotor components, motor and servo mounts, all aluminium parts are placed in this package and presented as if they were the British Royal Crown Jewels. All parts are accurately made. You can immediately decipher the quality. There are parts which we cannot identify at this stage, and the remaining parts of landing gear are also here, if we have guessed correctly, of course. The number of pulleys is a bit intimidating. The packaging here is also nice. It's almost painful to open them. And finally, we found something which looks like a pre-assembled part, the swash. But at first glance, nothing else seems to be assembled. This is also big.
But small. I think these are the rotor blades. These are the rotor blades, I think.
There's more.
Void. Yeah, these are the rotor blades.
Oh, we missed one. 1 second.
Cut it. Cut it time. And I was correct. These are the rotor blades.
Oh my god, the big
And the
one.
teeth. Oh my god, why is it
Don't
so
whack it.
big? Jeez, it's so big.
We've also got
The rod.
and we've got our tail blades in here.
Tail blade.
The silicone gel. The longer components were in this box. The SAB special red 700mm long main blades are beautiful, real SAB quality. The matching tail blades are also in this box. The 105mm SAB special red tail blades have patterns that match that of the main blades. So you've got a little bit of a matchy situation. You'll find the carbon tail push rod here as well. And the next shiny part, the tail boom. If we remember correctly, SAB was the first company to use these special shaped tail booms on their models instead of the conventional pipes. This tail boom is 80 grams lighter than the original G630 version and still provides the same durability. This part is a piece of art, something that makes SAB models so unique. I don't know, but I don't remember any other brand using a similar solution. If I'm wrong, please do let us know in the comments.
Okay, let's take the big boy out. Why is it so light? I have a bad feeling about this. Please be something.
And then it might also be, no. Oh, we've got the canopy,
Oh,
okay.
That's why it felt so light.
I'll be honest, my biggest pet peeve is always
Why is the canopy
foam.
so big?
tail secure thing. I don't know what do we actually call these? Yeah, blade holder, sure.
It's
The foam thingy-majig. I have a very specific style that I like, and anything else is like, nah. It's a bit thick, you know. Most pilots wouldn't have.
Wait,
a
how
problem
many
with it. I'm just
blades
very
does
picky.
this have? 3? Bubbles. Whee, 100 by 100 times.
There you go, the iconic Black Thunder. No, SAB.
BE original.
It is massive. This feels weird.
It's way bigger than the inside. I can fit my whole hand in there.
The quality feels quite nice, so you've got a nice thick layer. Something I had to admit is that I am very picky. I have one particular shape of blade holder that I like, and this is not that shape. The canopy, it's massive, it's intimidating size-wise, but then again, it is a 700. It's surprisingly light compared to that. It has beautiful paintwork, raised Black Thunder labels, nice edges, reflective colours. The SAB Heli Division Goblin Black Thunder is well presented on the canopy, mindful of how it was on the original model. Speaking of original, there are even the Be Original labels printed on the sides. And something we must show you, which makes this model genuinely unique. The badge which comes with these limited models. Yes, this is the 43rd out of only 50 produced. So a little bit about this Heli. It is a spin-off, I guess you could say spin-off, of the original Black Thunder helicopter, which was released by SAB in the 2010s. It was one of their most successful helicopters that they had released. However, this is the ICONIC edition, which only released, from what I know, 50 helicopters, so 50 kits. The Heli's diameter, rotor diameter, is around 1.6 meters, so 1,600 millimeters, and it is fully belted, so everything is connected and powered by the belts. It is also 12 cells, obviously, so 6 cell batteries, but 2 of them, the 5,000 ones. You could also go bigger if you wanted. I've seen some people use bigger. Yeah, we hope to put it together soon. We'll see what we can do. My first impressions of this Heli, definitely, it is very big. I don't fly 700 size, so, it is a bit scary. The other sort of terrifying thing is how little the amount of parts needed seems, but then again, once you actually look at the parts, you do realise that you do have everything that you need to put a helicopter kit together. It is just a bit daunting at first, where you're like, oh, there's a box about this big, and that's it. So, the whole thing is carbon, and quite good quality at that. If we ignore, obviously, the aluminium parts, which are also very well made. I do like the packaging. There was an empty box, which I'm not sure if that is factory, empty, or if it has been slightly rearranged. But that was quite interesting to see if it is factory. So I'm quite excited to see the Heli in one piece, and
if you liked this video, like and subscribe, and hit the bell button down below.
In addition, we would like to thank SAB Heli Division and Full Pitch Funfly, and our own fortune as well for this helicopter. There will be more videos on the SAB Goblin Black Thunder ICONIC Edition on this channel, so stay tuned. See you in the next one. Ciao!